The traditional science disciplines like biology, mathematics, chemistry and computer science are increasingly working closer with each other to produce interesting and exciting results. The role of the scientist is now about teamwork and collaboration, working together with other scientists from varying disciplines. It is a more dynamic and a more social environment to work in.
So hi, my name's Tina and I'm a biologist and I work in the field of arthritis. So I'm working with Rod and we're trying to develop a technology which allows us to detect cartilage changes such as arthritis in joint disease.
I've been seeking to provide for her a means for looking at her diseased cartilage tissue in a completely new way, and it's meant having to devise new ways of holding the samples so that it can work with the equipment that we have here, and then it provides understandable results for her.
I'm Dr. Rachel Ashworth and my research looks at cell signalling and how the cells in an embryo develop into their different types of cells, like how does a muscle cell become a muscle, and we use the zebrafish as the model for that. So we were looking at the chemical signals inside cells which can be then interpreted as electrical activity. We use this electrical activity to then convert it to an audio signal, and this is where Mathieu's work came in because his background is in audio signalling.
The aim of the project is to build some mathematical tools to analyze the biological signals measured on the zebrafish. Rachel and her colleagues have gathered data, experimental data using the microscope. I've been analyzing this data and I built a tool, a software that analyzes and characterizes the calcium activity in an automated way.
We do various things obviously, but one of those is looking at facial image analysis that particularly analyze the deformity of the facial image. This particular project is to automate the process of facial feature analysis. I do the digitization from patient, basically scanning patient's face, and then the data can be transferred to Patap, who is the collaborator in the School of Electronic Engineering.
So my role in this project, being part of the computer science department, is to provide the mathematical analysis tools. What I can do with this data is tailor my algorithms and my systems to work better in other applications as well. From their point of view, what they get out of this project is the experience from the computer science department and our mathematical skills that helps them in analyzing their data.
So the wonderful thing about doing this sort of research is that I don't have to do this on my own. Rod is the physicist and so he's developing the terahertz technology, whereas I'm the biologist, so I'm trying to provide inputs on the way in which the cells are communicating and how they interact and how they behave.
The world doesn't divide science into disciplines of maths, physics, engineering. No one person has all the information. It enables us to pool our resources and achieve an engineering solution or just an understanding of how things are basically working.
First of all, you can address some more complex problems by using some techniques that have been developed in different fields. Also, it's great because you realize that the research one is carrying out can be useful for other researchers in different fields.
And it really helps to bring the whole project together, so working from different perspectives but on a common goal where we were trying to discover something new together.
Dentists not necessarily know much about mathematics or electroengineering or computing, while multidisciplinary brought all this background together. That's to make the application available.
The most interesting aspect of this project was the fact that I can see my theoretical knowledge and the mathematics and the formulas that I work with being applied in the real world in different scenarios. When I see a doctor analyzing a face, using my work It excites me, it motivates me, it helps me do better.